Rocky, let me out.
No.
I'm trying to press that. I don't want to get out.
No. She'll never let you out. So she glitched when she was in the shower. I'm gonna leave now. I'm gonna leave. Do you see this? Look at this. She's just...
Get in the egg.
No! I can't. I'm an adult. You'll be stuck in here forever. What the heck?
It's an ice cream stroller.
I'm an adult, so I can't get in. Well, am I in now? Oh, it's okay.
Rocket ship, we're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship in the shower. Let me out.
No. What if I don't want to?
Then you'll never ride this reindeer stroller ever again.
Okay. Oh wait, I forgot how to. Okay, fine. Hey, hey. Stop moving. Get back in. Get back in. No. Get back in.
Oh, goodness, crosses my stubby legs.
No. Don't run away. I'm your true mother. I'm no crazy lady. You can't get out. No, you can't get out. You can't get out. That's where did you go? Where did I put you?
I teleported. Yeah, that's fine. Okay.
Dang it! I'm not in your family.
Yeah, I know that. I left. Have fun trying to find me now.
I'm gonna refriend her. Okay. I refriended her.
I literally forgot that I had lemonades and I kept asking you for drinks.
This is what you get for doing it. Come here, precious. Precious. No, you don't get away. You don't get away that easily.
You'll just have to catch up. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, what the heck? You look smooth. Come back.
Here.
Come back.
There's so many tasks.
Okay, we're gonna take this out. We're gonna eat this.
Oof.
We're gonna eat this. Yes. Okay, now we're gonna go back. We're gonna grab this. Okay. Look how fast. Where are you? You cannot hide.
I'll never tell.
You cannot hide. That's illegal. Where are you?
I'm stuck.
find you and I'll eat you.
I'm gonna die.
No, you're not. Calm down. Okay, I'm just gonna go back to my house.
Okay, crazy later. Crazy lady's no longer chasing me with a stroller.
Why do you say it like that?
Because it's true.
Okay.
Drinking some lemonade.
Why am I? I just realized that the hot air balloon is grounded. That means it's not allowed to go anywhere. Because it's grounded. Okay, we're gonna get.
I thought you said you hated dad jokes.
Shut up! I will do whatever I want. My goodness. Where are you gonna go now? Oh my gosh, my otter just.
I'm gonna just skip the showering task because that means I have to go near you. Whoopsies. Didn't mean to do that.
Where are you?
Don't ask what I did.
Where are you?
Somewhere over the rainbow. You just have to find the rainbow.
Rainbow. Can you see me or
Yes,
something?
Yeah, I can.
Wait, really? Where are you? Do you know where I am?
Somewhere.
Where am I at?
What?
Where am I then?
Where I am.
Where am I then?
I'm good.
Where am I then?
Somewhere over the rainbow. Just gotta find the rainbow.
What do you mean? You have to tell me where you are.
I'm just kidding. Shoot.
Can I go?
I'll tell you where I am now. Shoot, I'm stuck. Go reset. Why? Okay, I'm at my house right now.
Okay. Why are you laughing?
Because I'm not at my house. I'm just kidding.
Sure. Sure.
You smell, by the way.
Rude. Where are you?
Come on, my little cynic fox. We're riding a bike now.
Where are you?
The cringy mobile.
Cringy mobile. You say.
Why is Santa wearing a shirt? It's pretty disturbing.
You're there?
Yeah, I'm about to get suspicious.
Okay, I'll come. No, you're not, you liar.
I mean, like I was. Then I moved.
Where are you?
You'll have to find me.
I'll eat you alive. I see you.
That's not very nice. Ah! Stop chasing me, psycho!
I'm fast.
Drink my no, that's anti-grav. I need my hyper speed potion. Got it.
I'm faster than you. Dang it.
But I got a hyper speed potion.
You shall not get out of me fast. Where are you?
Somewhere.
Did you leave again?
No, I didn't. Check the server's list thingy. Ah!
Come here! I got stuck. Where are you? Me shall find you.
Somewhere.
Somewhere over the rainbow. Now I'm gonna turn into a babe because I want to. Ha!
We be babies.
Turn into an adult. You'll never find
No, I'm a baby.
Yes.
Come on, Finn.
I'm gonna make neon.
I need mud so I'm a baby.
I need mud. I'm a baby. Hi.
Hi.
How are
My
you?
pet's better than yours.
What did you say? You wanna play it like that? You wanna play like that? You wanna play like that?
Like, the only legendaries you have is Kitsune and a unicorn. Like, that's stinky.
No, I have a kangaroo too.
Well, so do I.
Well, yeah, you're right. My pets suck. Just admitting it. Yeah, I know.
Oh, look at my unbrightable buffalo that I totally did myself.
Yeah, you totally didn't get it from me. No, not at all. No, not at all.
It's Bluff the green-nosed buffalo. Let's go, Bluff.
She totally made Bluff on her own. Totally.
You know what Cookie named her buffalo? She named it Buffalo. Like, wow. Disrespect, the level of disrespect that you have. I'm gonna buy a massive gift just because I feel like it.
My disrespect is my life.
Nice, I got a chew toy.
Oh, that's so cute! Give it to me.
Serena, I dare you to buy a massive gift.
I don't have enough. I'm poor.
Okay, then buy a big gift.
I don't have enough. I'm poor.
Then buy a small gift.
Oh,
Your money.
look how puny this is. Wait, no, I don't want it.
That's okay.
Oh wait, I remember. I remember.
A stick. Amazing.
I'm so dumb. I have a bunch of presents in my inventory. I don't want to open them. I don't want to open them though.
I made you spend your money.
I got a stick.
If any of y'all want a free cookie clutch, send me a friend request or something. I don't know, or like leave your username in the comments down below or something. I don't know. This is my polar bear plush. He's not for trade because he's rare now and you can't get him anymore. I also have a reindeer plush, a snowman, and a donkey, and a horse. I'm like, yep.
Guys, we're gonna do a video where we buy so many presents it's gonna be crazy. Okay?
No, we're not.
Yes, we
I don't want to go bankrupt.
are. Well, too bad. We're gonna have to save up. Okay. Anyways.
I only have $3,297, my dude.
And I only have 35. Yeah. Okay.
Good job.
All right. So. Yeah. For what? Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Bye, peeps.
Just.